Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. First, when GitHub Copilot was unveiled, everyone thought it was going to take their jobs, and they should leave their computer science degree and take a plumbing job. Well, that didn't age well. Although Copilot was great, it didn't have everything people wanted. It had lower context windows, it copied copyrighted code, and whatnot. But then they upgraded it with GPT-4, and that made it much better and almost solved all the problems. The major feature that made most people use Copilot was the smooth integration with IDEs. This was possible because OpenAI's main investor is Microsoft. GitHub is also owned by Microsoft, and VS Code, the most used editor, is also owned by Microsoft. They were able to provide smooth integration as well. To tackle this dominance and save their user base, other IDEs also rushed to make their own AI assistants. But no one could compete due to GitHub's upper hand with so much code repositories to train their model on. Anyway, their dreams to become the Apple of coding assistants started to shatter when Google came with their language model, Gemini 1.5 Pro, that supports a 1 million context window. If you don't know, GPT-4, which Copilot uses, only has a 128K context window, which is obviously small when seen in comparison to Gemini. Although Copilot was still able to keep their boat afloat after this announcement, because Google didn't introduce anything like Copilot that would harness the power of the model into coding IDEs. But that thing changed yesterday when Google announced Gemini Code Assist. If we have a look at their blog post, Gemini Code Assist is seemingly similar to GitHub Copilot. It is free for one user per project until the 11th of July. After that, it will be changed to a pricing model almost similar to GitHub Copilot. Just like GitHub Copilot, Gemini Code Assist completes your code as you write and generates whole code blocks or functions on demand. Code Assistance is available in many popular IDEs, such as VS Code, JetBrains, etc. It currently supports 20+ programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Python, C, C++, Go, PHP, and SQL. It also has natural language chat. You can quickly chat with Gemini Code Assist to get answers to your coding questions or receive guidance on coding best practices. Chat is available in all supported IDEs. Gemini Code Assist also allows performing large-scale changes to the entire codebase from a single prompt, including adding new features, updating cross-file dependencies, helping with version upgrades, comprehensive code reviews, and more. This capability is powered by Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro model, which offers a 1 million token large context window. Let's look at their UI. Once you install the extension and set it up, you'll see something like this. On the left, you'll see a chat window, and on the right, you'll see the code. You can ask Gemini to accommodate any changes, and it will do it. You can also use features like auto-completion. You can also select a chunk of code and ask Gemini to change something in it. It is pretty amazing. I think now Copilot has a real competitor. Gemini Code Assist is available, and you can follow the steps on their website to install it. I think it is a pretty great contender to GitHub Copilot, and I think it will only get better from here. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.